Welcome to Bitrix24, an online workspace designed to replace all of the SaaS solutions you might be using with a single cloud-based service. With over 12 million users, Bitrix24 is one of the world's most popular business software solutions. It's available 99.99% of the time in 17 languages on any device and platform. At the heart of Bitrix24 is CRM, complete with 4 other components. Tasks and projects to help you manage your work and your team, even remotely. Collaboration to communicate and collaborate online. Sites and stores to create beautiful websites and landing pages. HR and automation to help you build efficient workflows. All these components are cross-integrated and work as part of a single ecosystem. Let's take a closer look. Bitrix24 CRM is what really ties our product together. In addition to the more or less expected features like managing your deals, inventory, customers, and sales, it gives you some really amazing possibilities. For example, you can process orders and accept payments online, run marketing campaigns, and analyze sales data. And on top of that, we've got some handy tools for customer communication, like contact center, and lead acquisition, like customizable web forms. The second most important component of Bitrix24 is tasks and projects. Here you can create and manage your tasks in a way that's most convenient for you. A simple list, Kanban, calendar, or Gantt. The third component is collaboration, and that's where Bitrix24 really shines. You get chats, online meetings, cloud file storage, online documents, and other tools you may need to maintain swift communication and productive collaboration within your team. Number 4 is sites and stores. This is in fact your very own website builder, capable of creating beautiful websites and landing pages where you don't have to write a single line of code. It's all done in a block-based online editor. Last but not least is our HR and automation module. With its help, you can collect task reports, manage work hours and attendance, track employee efficiency, and KPIs. This ties in perfectly with our workflow automation capabilities, allowing you to streamline standardized processes like leave requests, purchase requests, expense reporting, and more. In addition to all the existing capabilities, Bitrix24 can be enhanced via hundreds of integrations with popular third-party services and apps.